batteries should be inserted correctly based on the positive and negative sign. Make sure the machine is in the locked mode, that is, when you push it up, it's in the locked mode to insert the thread. The thread should pass from the bobbin through this hole and then through the tension control and then through the hole next to the needle, then at last through the needle. Also make sure the thread is tight, it should not be loose. You can push and pull the needle up and down by turning it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now pull it down, it's in the unlock mode to start stitching. Once you're done with the stitching, make sure you leave at least 3 inches gap from the cloth and then cut the thread. Also turn over the cloth and make sure you put a knot at last.